YouTube is such a great way to start making some money online, and you guys can even be making your first 10K in just 1 month, all with YouTube. So today, let's talk about how to exactly set up a YouTube automation channel. But first, I'm gonna go through some reasons on why YouTube is just such a great platform to start making some real money. The first reason that I'm going to be talking about is YouTube is not monopolized. So a monopoly is when different companies want to demand an authority. And what this does is it simply just gets rid of any competition as this company or business wants to own something. So with that being said, of YouTube not being a monopoly, you can start a channel all from scratch and still do well. So new channels on YouTube have the ability to blow up and show on the suggested feed or the search feed, and they can get millions of views and subscribers, all while doing this organically. Now you could be thinking, if I am posting on YouTube, for example, maybe I have a YouTube channel on how to make money online, which would fit under the niche of finance and money, which would be my channel. You might be thinking, well, if other people are doing this, then maybe I shouldn't do this because there are already people watching this channel. Why would they want to watch mine? Well, the truth is YouTube is such a huge platform. For example, for what I watch on YouTube, somebody could have a podcast here on YouTube, but then another person could have a podcast here, and that doesn't mean I'm going to only choose one podcast to watch and listen to. I listen to many different podcasts on YouTube, and I watch them in video format as well. So one person does not own one niche, and the whole world isn't going to watch just one person producing videos within that niche. So hopefully that puts your mind at ease a little bit with the competition. And then there are a lot of creators out there that are getting started, and they just aren't simply taking the correct steps to really get their channel started and to get views and traction to their channel. So if you know how to actually produce and create good videos, then chances are you are going to do pretty well. And if you take that compared with a good strategy in growing a YouTube channel, then you are looking pretty good to the so-called competition out there. However, like I said, there can be a good makeup artist and another good makeup artist, but it doesn't mean people are only going to watch one makeup artist. I watch a ton of different makeup artists on YouTube, and my heart isn't just with one. The second reason that YouTube is such a great platform and an online moneymaker is simply because it pays very well. Now, when you have a YouTube channel, you can make money from ad monetization. Once your channel gains some traction and subscribers, you get monetized on YouTube, and then YouTube will put ads on your videos, and this is how you start making some money. But the good news with YouTube is there are also some alternative monetization methods, meaning there are other steps to make some extra money on YouTube. And sometimes you can even start to make more money with alternative monetization methods rather than making all of your money through ad revenue. The next reason that YouTube is so great is that you can be completely anonymous while still running a successful YouTube channel. With that being said, you could hire some people to do editing or edit thumbnails for you. That can be nice if you have the money to pursue that. There's nothing wrong with that. But if you are starting a YouTube channel all by yourself, you do not need the best editing or the best team that is going to help you grow. You can 100% start a YouTube channel all on your own. It is still possible to create quality content that has value and entertainment all organically and all on your own. It is possible with YouTube to be completely anonymous as well, like I was saying, as you can create a faceless YouTube channel and even utilize AI narrating and still be successful, which is why YouTube is so great. There are so many different types of content that you can do, and you don't have to come from a bunch of years of branding and history to create a YouTube channel. The next reason why I love YouTube so much is it is basically digital real estate. And what I mean here is your YouTube videos are essentially digital property. So you could think of it as a house and putting it on land. These are your YouTube videos and you're putting them on the internet instead of land. But what I'm saying here is you upload these YouTube videos once and they remain on this property or platform. You can post a video once and it can make you money for years to come. My brother has a YouTube channel called Make Money Matt, but he also runs a bunch of different faceless YouTube channels as well. And I always find it interesting that videos that he has uploaded years ago still make him money to this day, which is why I find YouTube so great. You can simply stop posting on YouTube and still be able to make money. But you also want to remember to always update your channel to bring in newer audiences as well. But YouTube is also just such a great passive income as well. Now you might be thinking, Kayla, we get it. Your love for YouTube is here, it is present, which is why I'm going to stop talking about how great it is and we're gonna switch gears and talk about how you guys can get into your own faceless YouTube channel and maybe start making $10,000 every month. So I set up a few steps for you guys to follow to get into your own faceless YouTube channel. And the first step that I have for you guys is to pick the right niche. Now, this is something that is going to be crucial in growing your YouTube channel, as a lot of people can find themselves picking a niche that isn't getting a lot of views, but they maybe think this niche will somehow blow up. But picking the correct niches can help you get more traction to your channel and more views, which means getting closer to getting monetized and making money on YouTube. And this kind of goes along with what I was saying before about how you guys might be wondering about the competition aspect of this. But there are so many creators within each niche that have content and that are doing well on YouTube. So if they're doing this as well, why wouldn't you be able to do this? A tip here with making content within a niche that is already doing well is you want your videos to simply stand out. Whether this be making your thumbnails in a different way or editing your videos in a specific way. But when you're jumping into a YouTube niche or just what your channel is going to revolve around, you want to ask yourself if this makes sense for you to start within this niche. And what I'm saying here is you want to have a reason that you are going into this niche. My channel's niche kind of revolves around finance as I talk about different ways to make money online. And before I made this channel, I asked myself, why would I want to make this channel? And it is simply to help other people make money online as well. The next thing you want to research within the niche that you're going with is looking at the average view count of other videos within that niche. So you want to make sure that there is definitely an audience out there that will want to watch your videos. You don't want to pick a niche that is only getting a few hundred views at max. So you want to make sure you're looking at the SEO scores for keywords. Some of the best niches on YouTube would include travel, technology, health, wealth, relationships, and happiness. My brother actually has a video right here where he goes over all of the best niches to start a faceless YouTube automation channel. I'll make sure to link that in the description as well. So if you want a deeper dive into niches, make sure to check that out. But now we're going to be moving on to setting up a posting schedule for your channel. If you're starting a YouTube channel, I would make sure to possibly post at least twice a week if you're able to. A lot of the time we see many beginners making this mistake when starting out on their YouTube channel, which is simply just not posting enough content right away. When we start a YouTube channel, we can find ourselves worrying too much about the ideas of the videos we're creating, but then forget to actually post videos while we're coming up with new ones. But with that being said, it is very important to choose the correct video ideas. And to find some video ideas, you could simply just search your niche up on YouTube and see what videos are doing well. And then it is also important to choose the correct keywords, as this can help different people find your videos. With YouTube, it is important to pay attention to the numbers, whether this be your posting schedule, which days you're going to be posting, or the amount of videos that you are putting out into the world, or which videos get more views than your other videos, and then figuring out why that happens. If you are posting more videos, YouTube will simply promote your channel more because of the volume of videos that you are putting out into the world. So with saying that, we can see that posting a lot of videos can be very beneficial when starting out your YouTube channel. Next, it is a good idea to automate the process. There are so many different steps that you have to pay attention to when creating your YouTube channel, meaning you have to research different video ideas, research the niche that you're choosing for your channel. You have to create different thumbnails, learn how to optimize your videos. Well, YouTube has become much more of just a social media platform. It has really become a full-time job for a lot of creators out there. You can make money on YouTube, but you have to put in the work to actually receive this money. As well with everything else in the world of making money, you have to put in work to receive money. So it can be very beneficial to look at YouTube as sort of just a business. So you can pick different skills that you know that you are good at yourself. You can automate your YouTube process by handing out different aspects of your business to other people. And you can do this on places such as Upwork and Fiverr to have other people help you in the process of building your business, which is your YouTube channel. Here's what my brother has taught me to do. He told me that he likes to delegate the video editing and the thumbnail design process, and this is a very good route to follow. Overall, the person that is starting this channel is you, so you have the full vision for what you want this channel to be and what you want it to look like. It can be better for your YouTube channel and look more natural if you are the one that is creating the scripts, as then you are putting things into your own words and reading your own words. It can sometimes be hard to find other people that are going to work for your channel that fall under your specific vision, whether this be editing or thumbnails like I just said. But the good news with video editing and thumbnail editing is these are types of work that can be easily outsourced, meaning easily found. Now, if you have a faceless YouTube channel, you can even hire different voiceover artists if you don't want to use AI voiceovers in your videos, or maybe you just don't want to use your own voice. So voiceovers can be a good example of something that is easily outsourced as well. There's a lot of talent on Fiverr or Upwork that is relatively cheap, and they can get you a really good video put together for only $50. And this would mean like editing and voiceovers and thumbnails and all of it. So my brother says once he gets the video idea together and the script done, and then for him he records a video, he passes it on over to the editors and to the designers. Automating this process can sometimes be difficult to set up. However, once you found the right people to automate your channel and to keep it consistent, then this can help you post more frequently and get more videos out there. My brother introduced me to a website called Trello, which can really help you set up different video ideas, as I have a tab for scripts I'm working on, and then videos I'm creating, videos that need to be edited, videos that are edited, and then videos that are ready to post. So Trello is a great source to kind of keep everything organized if you're interested in that. The next tip is I would make sure to make your videos on the correct topics. And you can do this by using a search engine optimization tool. And this is something that helps you find the right keywords to use within your specific niche and shows you which keywords are doing better than others. vidIQ is a free tool, but then there is also a paid option as well. But initially starting out with your channel, the free tool will work just perfectly fine. Now my brother shared with me there are two things that he uses vidIQ for. And the first one is going to be researching different video ideas. So you can check different keywords and see how they are working on YouTube and which ones are getting more traction to them. So vidIQ has a search tool that you can utilize to do this. And then the next thing that my brother said he uses vidIQ for is making sure he's filling out the correct search engine optimization. So when you are uploading a YouTube video, you are on something that is called YouTube Creator Studio. And this is where you add your thumbnail, the title to your video, and different tags to your video. And these tags that you add to your video are very important, as they can help you get on different algorithms of YouTube. So with that being said, it is very important to use the right tags. So when researching search engine optimization on vidIQ, you can find different tags that are doing well within your niche. And then the next tip that I have for you guys is to invest in your education and research. And what I'm saying here is with YouTube, you simply do not want to guess. You don't want to just throw ideas out there that you aren't sure if they are going to do well, which is why it is important to do your research and put in the time to really learn about how to set a YouTube channel up the right way, as this will be very beneficial to your channel and the process of making your first 10K in just 1 month. My brother actually has a course called To Mastery and Monetization, where he teaches exactly how to set up your YouTube channel. He goes through step by step, and he even includes some bonus checklists as well, and just simply everything that you need to succeed with YouTube. Make sure to check that out in the link below. And now feel free to check out this video next to me that shows the best YouTube automation niches. My brother made this video and he knows what works and what doesn't, so make sure to click it.